don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amafans Wetu TV. We have some big breaking news. Munapule Saleng is officially a Mamelodi Sundowns player. I'm joined by Upuchabu.
Hey, Stibo, how's it?
I'm Nandi Puchabu.
I'm sure Jabulile Magahambili Saleng.
Anjabla kanjani. No, tell me like what are your thoughts about the transfer, the move, the announcement?
Yeah.
Skipper.
Asikali like Pirates is an institution.
Yes, Puchabu.
Now in an institution you'll have players that are coming into the team. But you'll also have players that are going.
Definitely.
Yeah. So, I'm happy for the boy. Would at least utole a team where he will go and play comfortably.
Sure.
Because sometimes if a player is not happy, a player is not happy.
So.
Now, if you are a chairperson of the team and you have people that are not happy in a team, allow them to actually leave.
Bava.
And play where they are going to be comfortable.
Definitely.
I mean, I'm just going to tell you. Kaizer Motaung comes from Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. Jomoson comes from Orlando Pirates.
Va.
The Komodise was once a Pirates player.
Va.
Cheese Boy was once a Pirates player.
Sure.
Umanyisa was once a Pirates player.
True.
Leremi. The list is endless.
Bye-bye.
Look, I'm happy for the boy, and I think we have managed to continue without Osaleng. At some stage, I think Osaleng was playing for Orbit, and Pirates on the other side was actually doing its business.
Yes,
and there was no problem.
No issue.
There was no problem. There was no issue. The only issue is the problem it looks like Pirates now becoming a development of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Because I will say I was going to be much more comfortable if Mhlambo Saleng bathi uhambile Algeria.
Yes.
Uyozidlalela ibhola lakhe.
Yeah.
But here's the issue engine concern ngayo. If kuba easy for Sundowns ukuthi ithenge ama player we Pirates.
Sure.
It becomes a serious problem.
Why?
For me. Labantu compete nabo Steve. In this current juncture now,
sure.
Pirates leader Mamelodi Sundowns. The battle of the league ibhekwe ngamahlobo between the two teams.
Yes.
Now it's more like you taking your weapons unikeza Mamelodi Sundowns. Well, the Chiefs global rival. But the issue between Pirates and Sundowns is becoming too much. Because it's more like mhlambe kunabantu abapoacher ama player we Pagania, particularly ama player wabonayo ukuthi they are doing well ku Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
That's my only concern, because akubi easy for Orlando Pirates to get Umrembula.
Yeah, true.
You know?
Yeah, it sounds like
it has no, you can't. You'll never. Ingamani yathatha iplayer yayilahlela ku Sikhukhuni check situation skambule.
Yes.
Just so that Mbule doesn't go to Pirates, they took him bambega ku Sikhukhuni, and eventually we got Mbule segui free agent.
Yes.
Yeah, but whilst there are contractual issues, you will never get the player from Mamelodi Sundowns. Now, the question that we should be asking ourselves, are we becoming a development in Mamelodi Sundowns now? Look at the indaba Saleng. It's shocking song as a nation. Ulodge wasayinwa ngalenkathilisi.
Yes.
Ebusuku sesithi siyolala. Ulodge uvumbu gase Chloracop.
Yes.
It's not only him. Umanyisa, the former captain of Orlando Pirates, also joined the Sundowns. Ikomodise, as a captain of Orlando Pirates, also joined. The list is big.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, how does it become so easy for Pirates players to join Mamelodi Sundowns? But on the other side, Pirates cannot sign players that are coming from Mamelodi Sundowns.
That's a good question.
Especially now, Tibus, I think mhlambe ngabe bamane bamnikeza amazulu ke.
once ne cause niyacompete
manje siyacompete sifuna i-league especially this season ngoba masivula nje nge-20 or nge-24
sure
is toe to toe
nala
majid and we all know ukuthi uSaleng is still a good player akusho ukuthi phela mabe kadlala ku orbit bese kungase umuntu o right he's still a good player but I'm happy for the boy ukuthi uhambile uzokhona ukuthi adlale but ipain ilendile yona ukuthi lo muntu uye kuma competitors wethu direct
like isithola ukuthi like yini bekangekho happy ngayo la kuphakani
no obviously ama contractual issues issue ukuthi maybe I'm not satisfied with the kind of amount that I'm getting and I believe ukuthi maybe this is what I deserve but I think the issue ye contract Pirates I clarify ukuthi but much as you can say you are not satisfied this is what you have signed for and I don't think Pirates was wrong. I mean Pirates contractually was correct.
Yes.
That we are giving you as per what we have agreed contractually. So logo kunye ke so kuba ama influence from outside. Sometimes your agent but also sometimes from officials from certain teams bazoza bakutshela ukuthi awudlala ibhola right. Thina we think ukuthi mawungeza kithi this is what we can give you. Yabona but ke be that as it may we are happy for the boy.
Sure.
But I'm saying whether uye ku Sundowns or not will still claim e-league. Whether bad noma bangasayina bani. This season we're taking the league.
Iyapakani.
Iyakupakani. Orlando Pride.
Thank you, Puchap. Top star.